This is a first look at the Positron Databot for data exploration. I've clicked on the extensions, that little square thing on the blue left-hand column, and I'm going to install the Databot. You can just click on the extension thing and search for Databot, press the install button, and we will be off and running. My previous videos covered Positron in general and also the notebook editor, which is pretty nice. So I'm a Python developer, not a data scientist. So I'm just kind of going around and just trying different features and learning about what a Databot is by just using it. So it seems like you can be upgraded with the Posit Assistant, which I'll press yes. I am using a database or a data set on zip codes in the United States, which I got from the Shiny Gallery. Databot is supposed to help me analyze my data, the database of the zip codes, and boom, it's already written a pretty nice report about the data. So it tells me what the data is. Pretty cool. Also recommends additional analysis that it can do for me. So I think with the data, we can use it to help explore and grab meaning from the data to tell a story with the data than the human. The developer makes a decision as to how to portray the data. So it has some suggestions for the, I guess there's a type of zip code called a super zip code where people are richer and they're more educated. And it's comparing it to the people in the non-super zip codes. So if you're in the super zip code, your income is 2.5 times higher, incredible, and 4x times college attainment. There doesn't appear to be too much overlap. So you can plot it right there inside of the Positron pane. So kind of a sad outcome for the data if you're like me and you believe that the things should be more equal, but the data is what it is, right? We're just trying to interpret what this data means, identify maybe some problems, and try to get help from society to solve the problems, or the funder of the study. So it's kind of amazing that it can suggest how to best view the data to extract additional meaning. I think if you're not a data scientist, like I'm not a data scientist, it's quite fascinating because we can use Python, and we know the Python side, but we haven't been trained in data science yet, and so it's quite easy for us to get up to speed in this way.